Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Have fun too.
Here we are. Loud, isn't it? Oh, James. Oh, look at this, Aladdin's cave. Ah, what?
Same thing with James.
Yeah, yeah.
Same engine.
Oh, look, old Douglas.
See, the Americans got a much nicer version.
Yes, yeah.
The same box.
That can't be, that, they are really high.
And you've got the seat as well, it's
You're sitting like 3 light years away from it.
What's this then? There's no, can't find a name tag anywhere.
It
Certainly
says
works away.
Sangler, or no, is it Angler?
I don't know, I can't,
Well, I'm glad there's one here after saying.
Well, after coming all this way, I've been wanting my money back.
yeah.
But that's old money. I mean, that's got to be 40s as well.
600 miles to go.
Yeah. Do you know, I never even knew there was a diesel motorcycle.
As you say, wouldn't you see the
Stinks like one and all when he started.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Oh, we've got to get a Coventry Eagle each. I'm well taken with that. I can see that in a Thetford loop.
It might go in the yacht, so then we come out the other side. It might come out in 2 pieces perhaps. That big hinge in the middle there.
These mopeds. Just
Aftermarket fuel tank there.
mad, isn't it?
That's my job. That's probably the same.
Oh, so it is, I didn't notice that. Put your head round past the tank.
That's a Humbury job, that is.
That is, yeah.
NSU quickly, wasn't it?
Yes, yes.
Never was a motorcycle name wrong.
NSU.
Quickly, moped. That was.
Sounds familiar, but I don't remember it.
Surely they must have one here.
Flat out,
There you go. What's this Peugeot? Oh, that'd be alright for the Thetford loop.
Yeah, because that's competing with the old Kawasaki there, isn't it?
yeah. There's a Honda SS50 up there, it's the best place for it on that shop.
That's what I have.
Oh, no,
That's my
as
first
well,
proper motorbike. Right, proper.
Big
First
line,
ever.
man, you get in. Absolutely useless. It was, the trouble is, my mate
Sound effects, or is that next?
Yeah, I don't know.
Somebody's telephone.
going into lens too quick because I'm trying to keep it. Yeah. I never thought to ask. No.
Well, really.
Sorry?
That's a good nick as well.
Is that the AP?
AP50, yeah.
They
They were the fastest.
They were. I think they were quicker than Fizzy.
They were, yeah. Yeah, I remember one of my little schoolmate group, he wasn't really my mate, but he had one of them. And couldn't stand, nowhere near him. It took me 50 years to get as fast as Fizzy.
Aladdin's Cave, isn't it?
Yeah. Go somewhere,
Yeah.
well, I got a selection, but I didn't know what it was.
Okay, yeah, you want to
Trying not to
Really were, yeah. Quite antiquated for
I dumped some of my dad's old.
yeah, as you do, yeah.
I like that Royal Enfield. It's got my number plate on it. Got a broom.
It has, actually, yeah. Well, there you go. It's calling
There you
you.
go. It's cool, isn't it? That's a nice bar. I like the shape of the tank on that.
Is, what was that, 63?
It is, yeah. B was 64, so.
Next to a James. Is that a Cadet? Or is that a Comet? Oh, I don't know.
This is supplied by Wilfred Green, the James.
And then, no rush.
Some other bikers following us. Gary's sticking his thumbs up, he likes it. I mean, even the sea looks quite decent now. Must be, yeah.
Well, I can't kickstart this anymore, I'm having one of those. It might not be very long.
I'm sure that will go first kick.
That would be nice. How low is it on traffic lights, so I should take past and turn on 30 degrees. I did the right thing.
Here comes the ice cream man.
Oh,
look at him, look. I'll give that one to Gary.
Thank you.
Time to get the wet gear out. don't know.